Okay everyone, to make our fabulous box, which has one inside, one on top, and if I show you this, get an idea of what you're going to get. We are going to start off with a square of paper. Now you will need 2 squares. This is only wrapping paper, but it's decent quality wrapping paper. You'll need 2 squares. This one is 22 centimetres by 22 centimetres, and then you'll need one 21 centimetres by 21 centimetres. The 22 centimetre will make the top, the 21 will make the bottom. Now, as you've seen, I've already folded this into 4, okay, just as if you're making a snowflake. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to find that point that's there in the centre, and following the edges like that, you're going to make a triangle. And then I find it easier to come in from the other side and make another triangle, and then this side and make another triangle, making sure you press down quite hard because you want those nice crease lines afterwards. It'll make your life far easier, I promise you. Okay, now you've done this, then it's probably easier to open this out now, and we're going to take this edge and fold it into the centre, making sure that you line up that crease with that one, and exactly the same on the other side. Then flip it round and do the same there, lining up your creases. Now those 2 parts there should meet in the centre. If they don't, your box won't be straight. Okay, fine. Now we've done that, so there are sides of our box and there's the middle part. Can you see what I mean about the middle part? They all join there. Right, now then what we're going to do now is we're going to open that up and we're going to do the same on this side as well. Okay, so that's into the centre. Making sure you line those lines up. Otherwise you'll have quite a wonky box if you don't. Once you do a few of these, you'll be fine. You can see all the lines need to line up. Okay, we are seconds away from finishing our box. Right, now then, what you now need to do is to look there where you will see a crease, and crease it along there like that, which is going to form the sides of your box. Crease the other one too. A bit hard to see with this reflective paper. There we are, if you do that you can see it better. Okay, they should meet there like that. Press that down, press that down. Okay. Now, this is minor tricky, but not that hard. Keep your fingers there like that, hold it there like that, and flick that over. And there we are, there's your first side completed. Let's straighten that off a little bit. So I'm saying you need to crease them really well. And we're going to do the same on this side. There are your crease lines. Don't be tempted to do them anywhere else. Got a crease line there. Okay. Now the line, just for you to see, the line you're going to fold over is that one. And then we're going to flick that over. A bit of manipulation. And there is your box. Right, now what I did, okay, top tip here, what I did, because it was getting on my nerves that because this paper is quite slippery, I took a small piece of double-sided tape. Oops. You know what double-sided tape is? It's more slippery than the paper. Small piece of double-sided tape, and I put it there. You don't need double-sided tape everywhere on this. It's a pain in the neck if you do. But you put one little piece there. Now, don't press down on that point. Press on there. Then when you've got it square, then you can press down. And there we are. That holds it in place. Okay? And if I were you, I'd go around all of the edges. Now, you do exactly the same with the other piece of paper, and this time you will end up, with a smaller box, okay, which will fit in there like that. So that was 22 by 22, that's 21 by 21. Right, now in order to get this piece of lace and the flower on here, all I did again was a piece of double-sided, some lovely lace. I put a piece of double-sided on to my lace. Right, stick it on there, then cut it out to size, stick it on, and then again with a bit of double-sided tape you put the flower on the top, and you have some really, really pretty boxes which you can put on the Christmas table if you keep them in Christmas colours. And if you want them even simpler, you can just put a little bit of ribbon rather than lace. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be lace. It can be bits of felt, it can be Christmas decorations that you keep off a cracker from last year, but something that's going to look nice and is only made from Christmas paper. So, here's the Christmas paper that I used, okay? Nothing special. It has to be fairly thick though, because otherwise these boxes will, sort of disintegrate. Don't buy the really, really cheap stuff. But it doesn't have to be terribly expensive. So, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again for some more videos.